vlog. We are here right now in Ayala Mall. May event sa mo about sa giving kayo sa cellphone guys.
Pwede naman yung mga NFT cards na directly bibili mo sa market para yung mismo gagawin mo yung
next video.
So, welcome sir. Hello guys. So,
Good no, nariyan po sa Ayala Mall. May event sa mong guys sa mall guys.
Captain YG Sport. So ayun,
Contest sa mga
with YGG as a competitive player and content creator back in January 2022. So not just Axie Infinity, and one of it would be Parallel, and we also have Cypher Odyssey as well. So ayun, introduce ko na sa inyo yung game. So ano nga ba yung Parallel? So Parallel is a free-to-play trading card game. So sci-fi based yung theme niya. Pwede niyo siya...
Paano masabi?
Dilunggit, ano
So yung system nila na earning kapag complete yung score na for the NFT cards, yung mga more of the difference na lang
may cosplay guys. Star Wars!
So, every day, probably next kasi, for example, for those